Greeting everyone, my name is Chisvana Tipi and I will be representing for my team, Nightlight. And here's what we'll be covering. First and foremost, before we going, I have a question for you. Which path would you pick? One, the second one, or the first one? The second one where you could see what's up ahead, or the first one where you couldn't even tell what's in front of you, that fills you with dread of uncertainty. But since we live in the city, we can pick which path we choose. But what about those who stay in the countryside? Student. And I have a story to tell you. There is a student who stay in the countryside and she had to travel 25 kilometers just to come to college. And what if I told you there are two families in that village have already given up on their education just because of that? Now, continue. Our team come here to ensure safety on those people. We want everyone to feel safe and have free to be educated. And this is our steps. First, we find a dedicated location, and then we'll be having a discussion with the local authority. After that, we implemented our project. When we have a meeting with the authority, we still had to make a physical document out of it, just to show that we did it. And after that, we project implementation. We picked a village where it's 25 kilometers from the city, and we have help from many people. We have covered up about 60% of 2 kilometers of the village. We also had an interview with 13 families. 2 of them, they couldn't even fathom why we even do this project in the first place. And 11 of them are delighted because after we put our project to work, their children feel safer. And after that, we have a normal meeting and talk about what our project is. We promote them and we ask them whether they're going to help. After that, they said yes. After seeing it, they know the reason why they're going to help, and they're also happy to help too. This is what we have succeeded, and this is what we experience. We also have a lot of challenge. Well, everything have a lot of challenge, and we try to complement it and adapt to it. This, according to the Sheep and Village survey, we have seen that 18% to 25% have used the solar lamp. And in those, we can see that 78% of those students feel safer coming home. And for many of them, they have to study part-time class. And it started from 5 until 7 or 8 in the evening. Many teachers also said after having this implant, they can see that their students feel safer, same as the family and the student. The reason why you should choose our project, we have planted about 10 solar lamps in this 2 kilometers. We can say that we can't just cover a lot. We just cover most of the place where we have a lot of accidents. And let's be honest, in countryside, there will be drying weeds and many things on the road. You couldn't even tell what's in front of you since there's no light. So, yeah. And to all of this, we have talked with the authority after. And she said, she loved this project, and she is one of the person who helped with other organizations to better their community. And since after this, she said she will be promoting our project into their next meeting. We also heard some envy from other community around us. They said after seeing this, they wanted to be in their village too, because who wouldn't want to save tomorrow? Thank you very much.